Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to share with you how I do my top-down analysis. That is how I do it, please. So do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because on this page I am sharing my trading journey as a growing forex trader. So I'll take you to my chart right now, and we are going to start with the daily time frame, and I'm going to explain some things that I want to see in the markets for me to know that this is actually a trade that fits me. It's actually a trade that fits me. So let me take you to my chart right now. Now I use 3 time frames to trade: the daily, the 1 hour and the 5 minutes. The daily is where I have an overall view of the market, and the 1 hour is for where I get my point of interest, structure point of interest. Then the 5 minute is for my entry confirmation. So on the 1 hour I want to see the trend. On the daily, sorry, I want to see the trend. Is the trend bullish? Is just see the trend. On the daily, sorry, I want to see the trend. Is the trend bullish? Is the trend giving me something like this? This is a bullish trend. Or is the trend giving me something like this? This is a bearish trend, right? Or is the trend just consolidating? That is giving me something like this. So sorry, it might not be perfect, but consolidation just means that there is equal power between the buyers and the sellers, the indecision in the market. Meanwhile, bullish, when the market is bullish upside, it means that we have more buyers in the market than sellers. Now when it's bearish to the downside, it means that we have more sellers in the market than buyers. So those are just the 3 things, that the 3 types of market conditions that we have. Okay, now if I see price gave me something like this on the daily, right? On the daily, trend is bullish. What am I looking out for? I want to see that previous low that got broken. This is my previous low that got broken. So we are going to break structure here, and we are going to call it a break of structure. Next thing I want to see is the swing high and the swing low that broke the previous swing high and swing low. So this is the swing high low, and this is the swing high, right? So next thing I'm looking out for is a key level. A key level can be an order block, a fair value gap, or a liquidity zone. Those are just the different areas that I'm looking out for. So let's assume that this is my key zone here, or should we call it a demand area? That is going to be my order block, so we call it an order block. This is what is happening now. This is where now that I've seen this, I know that I should be looking out for buys in the market, though there is something that can make me to look out for sells. This is where I go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what am I seeing? What is the structure of the 1 hour? Is the 1 hour bullish or is it bearish? So when I go to the 1 hour and I see something like this, price did this, came here, you see that it failed to break this high. It just broke the previous low. You see now we have a change of character. So we are going to call this our change of character right here, and we name that a change of character. So now that we have this change of character, we are looking out to sell and not to buy. There is no way we can buy here because price has changed character. That does not mean that the overall trend of the market has changed. It just means that price is trying to retrace to the higher time frame key zones. It can be liquidity, it can be order block, or it can be a fair value gap. Now I know that this is my key zone that I got here, and I can assume that we have a fair value gap here, then we have liquidity somewhere here. So price is going to come to this zone before we see another buy. So here we have this, and price is going to give me another key zone on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I've seen a change of character that is aligning, that is not aligning to the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is bullish and the 1 hour is giving me a bearish, meaning retracement. Cool. Now I wait for price to come back here to this key level. This is our 1 hour key level. It is not the daily. This is the new key level on the 1 hour time frame. When price gets to this key level, I will now go to the 5 minutes to look for my entry confirmation. And my entry confirmation is basically a change of a liquidity sweep. Price does something like this, then change character, then create a fair value gap, tap into it, then I break this zone here. So that is it. We have this other block here. We have this change of character on the 5 minute time frame. So when price change character on the 5 minutes, I know that we are in for a buy. Then price leaves a fair value gap, we are in for a buy. So what do I want to see on the 5 minutes? I want to see a liquidity sweep. Price got to the point of interest of the 1 hour, swept liquidity and change character. Next thing I want to see, did it leave a fair value gap? If yes, then that is my confirmation. So now on the 1 hour, price is going to keep on creating zone to buy and sell till it gets to this level. When it gets to this level again, on the 1 hour, still price is going to create a change of character. Then it is going to keep doing the same thing it did till it takes out this previous high here and creates a it takes out this previous high here and create a new break of structure. So this here is the 5 minutes, so we are going to put that in, let's say, blue, right? So this is literally what's, for me, it is like, I don't know if you get. Now I'll take it to the actual chart so you see what I'm talking about. So let's delete this. We are on the actual chart right now, and this is what we are working with. When I look here, I see that price is bullish, right? Price created this bullish zone here, and let's start this way. We have this bullish break of structure here. Then we have this other block here. You see that price tapped into this other block and it started moving to the upside, right? However, we have this new break of structure right here. We have a break of structure. Then we are looking for our other block, which is here. Then we are looking for a swing low, which is here. Then we have a swing high, which is here. So this is what we have overall, swing high and swing low. Next thing, we are seeing that price is retracing, right? If you go from here on the hourly time frame, from here, let's make that a little bit bigger. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that price created a change of character, then it started moving to the downside on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is what we had. We have this high and we have this low. We have this break of structure here. Then we have this swing high and swing low. What happened? Price, this failed to break this previous high here, and it's created a change of character here. Now that we have this change of character, price left a fair value gap here. Now that we have this fair value gap, you see that price tapped into it and it broke this previous low here. It kept on creating swing lows to be broken. You see that it created swing lows to be broken until, let's go back to the 4 hours. It created swing lows to be broken until price took out this previous low here, which is liquidity, right? So this is literally just what happened. And now price took out liquidity, and price we have this swing high here, and we have this swing low here. So if you go now to the 1 hour time frame, this is, wait a minute, this is what I'm working with this week. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame, I want to see what price is showing me between that swing low and swing high that I just mapped out. So this is a swing high, this is a swing low. If I'm looking very well, I will see that price actually came here. I want to see a change of character. Remember, I want to see a change of character on the 1 hour time frame. So price created this change of character here. That is after sweeping liquidity here, right? We have this liquidity sweep here, and we have this change of character right here. Price change character, and it left behind a fair value gap and this other block right here. We have this other block, then price tapped into this other block here. Immediately it taps here, I want to go to the 5 minutes, and on the 5 minutes I want to look for a change of character to the upside and fair value gap. So you can see clearly here that I had this change of character here, we had this fair value gap here, change of character here. Yes, we had this other block here, and I think from here we can easily target this previous high here. We are entering here, right? Stop loss, then we are targeting this high. That is the 1:10. So that is just it. So that is how I do my top-down analysis, and it is just as simple as it can be. The only thing you need is your daily, your 1 hour, and your 5 minutes. That is what I work with, and the moment I see everything that I need to see, that is my way to strike and just go in. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you had learned 1 or 2, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section and I promise to answer your questions. Thank you very much.